I'm testing my new microphone to see if it works. What's up, guys? It's your boy Danny Tran, and finally, you'll get to see me a new Let's Play on 2048 Part 6. It's been a while. I have homework to do, and because I was being lazy all the time. But around 6 months ago, we got 4096. But the problem is, my old microphone and laptop kind of weak. So I decided to use my new microphone for my birthday last month. You know, that microphone was actually expensive. I gotta be very careful now. Like fall. Even it's the worst time. But look, I'm a new high score. High score in 2048. 50,300. I think it looks like chess. Well, oh, that coughed me. Was this the first time I've coughed in this fall? Yeah, I was sick all the time. Well, before we start the game, I want to get a little special day that I recently hit the first ever time history that I ever got in 2048. First time I hit is 2048 back in 2 years ago. Never done before. I think I did that at school, November 2nd, 2017. So I'd like to give it a special day. And special thanks to you, Seb. I don't know if you guys can watch it. Yeah. Why? Oh, no. That's why I was. Oh. So you can call me a pro gamer. That's why I'm thinking about any. I'm also going to Connect 4, but I lost the tournament. I'm fine. Here's the thing, when I watched the... We'll start the game in just a minute. That's funny. When I saw some people playing F4 final, somebody blunder. He couldn't block it. I'm like, what? No! Alright to say. Also, I'm gonna make a quick update from that last video. I said I was gonna give it a new candy to my friend Mina yesterday, but I think she's busy. I didn't see X. Let me going somewhere else outside. Whoa, what has happened? What happened? I don't know what's going on with my microphone. Hello? Can you hear me? Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. My fault. My fault. Oops. Oops. That was my fault. One more quick update, because my friend Mina, Liquid Tree yesterday has been king. Come on, let's get started to the 6. I'm not gonna go play too long, because I don't want to stay here to play 2020 too long. I'm gonna jump to 128. That's the fastest one you can do. Oh, that one. I love to play 2020 just for fun. Now it's gonna take. Practice for speed one. Boom. I like doing this. Hola. Oh, by the way, I saw my friend Devin change the username on YouTube. See, my new microphone's better than old one. Let me know if you want to do more paintball. I'm bored. Oh, go follow me on Instagram, Danny Flyer. I do post a bunch of events photo, like swimming tournament. Yeah, I got my 4th gold medal, 4th silver. Of course. Oh no, this no. I don't. Oh, still alive. No, I don't like that. How much was it? 4 or 5? I can't remember. At the end it's locked. I don't know what I'm doing. But now processing speed 1 on the 2028. All the way to 2024. See, when you have 2 over here, the top or something, I was like, curve. You have an impossible chance winning it. Oh, maybe this is sick. Or you can have a good chance of pull. I don't know. What my notification? Dude. I just said the Actually, what I do realize that I saw Madness Carlson got a mouse slip. Because when I was thinking of playing chess, it takes up all my brain. Strategy. Can't wait till I went get another trophy. Actually, although I'm watching PewDiePie, but I don't watch PewDiePie a lot. I just watch the first of the beginning. That's why I need to catch up my schedule. Whoa, is this long game? Ouchie! On. Actually, you met my perfect girl at school. Fortunately, I can't tell you a secret. I can only tell you on Instagram. What do you mean? I haven't just upload tons of video. I don't watch it. See. Oh, that's a split. Oh. My bug. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh. Oh. Oh man. Well, I'm having a coffee day. Off. Off your elbow. You're coughing, over your elbow. My brother told me. Why is he keep doing that? I have to put my. Oh, my friend Anita's texting on Instagram. My friend Anita's texting. You gotta be kidding me. Let's go left. Up. On. Boom. Come back. There you go. That was a comeback. Let's see if we can get to 2040. Let's go quick. I don't have much time. I have to sleep like every week I work. Ooh. Guys, please explain to me what happened to my pumpkin. Now wait. You ever play mentioned, haven't but watched Asgard. Watching YouTube's free. Then how about if I can take 1024? Oh, whoa, I was take it up, up. Jeffy, stop. My god, dude. I saw. Oh, there's a new video on Jeffy Halloween. Because I haven't, but I'll do it. Watch it. Hey guys, you go to Minecraft or Fortnite? I nearly 100% that game on Bedrock. And Switch. Join me. Join my world. Play Minecraft. Please. Oh, what? Oh, what? Oh, hey, what happened to my puppet show? We got like 7. Let's get the 20 views. Okay, in this go video, let's try to get 20 views. And likes. That's all. That's the goal in this video. Let's get to 10 likes. No, 20 likes will be. Okay, I'm still alive. Oh no, I'm dying. I'm dying. Up, it's gonna be 4. Okay, so take slow gent. Oh shoot. Okay, slow gentle. No good. Let's go left. Dude over here. Why is the 4 blocking? Don't understand why the fuck. Uh-oh. Oh, no. I was dire. Oof, I was. Get some more, please. Oof. Alright, this is where it gets seriously focused. Oh. Up? Up? Aha! There we go. Let's play fast. I'm running out of time. By 12. A little more. And we might get another 2020. I think. Dude, there's 2048 with 8 times 8. It never ends. Never ends. I dare you to try it. Yeah. I do reach 2008. Why records 4096? Oh no! What am I doing? Oh no, I messed up. See, this is what happens if you don't concentrate while you're playing ads. Well, that's a good spot to end. Darn. Yeah, these were done. I was trying to get my point. I was trying to get my points. Wait, number will be. Ah, that's it. That's it. Game over again. What's the fan on it? Well, guys, that's gonna do it for me. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Ah! Subscribe to Danny S Trend. Thank you for like 100 subscribers. Not thank you enough. Thank you for like 300 subscribers. I cannot thank you enough. Let's see if we can get to 500 subscribers. That would be awesome. While you guys are watching, comment the video on the last one. What is your favorite Halloween candy? My favorite Halloween M&M's. Just choose your candy. And what about the green? So guys, do you like my singing video? Follow me. How about this? Let's try 100 likes. For this video, let's see if we can get to 20 likes. I don't remember. Alright, oh well. I'm gonna go to sleep. I haven't slept. Yep. But I do play basketball. Follow me on Instagram, Danny Pryor, okay? Watching. And I might go live. I'm talking about the update on my. Remember? I tried trick or treat, but all minus. Well, see you guys in the next video. That's 48 plus 6. I do play a couple of times. How much score I got? 13,920. A high school speed. Alright guys, good night. Go to bed. Peace out. Bye. I get this out of the way. No!